absolutely perfect for date night. Ladies, if you are looking to exude power, confidence, this bag is it. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things luxury, and not just luxury designer handbag. We talk about how to marry a millionaire, how to go out alone to attract a millionaire, guest guides, lifestyle, and so on. Ladies, today I'm sharing you my favorite top luxury rich festive colors that are perfect for holiday season or special parties, occasions, whether it's for Christmas, for New Year, office end of year party, or for Valentine Day outing, my ladies. And now ladies, if you find this video helpful, inspiring, please do not forget to give a thumbs up and share, because it takes a lot for me to create these videos. So your support means the world to me. The first handbag on my list is this stunning exotic lizard skin leather. This lizard skin bag is from Chanel. It's vintage, by the way. Chanel no longer produce exotic leather anymore because of the busybodies around the world crying, let's save animals. Anyways, let's go back to our discussion. I don't want to prolong this video. When I watched my video, I discovered that I'm telling stories too much. I just want to go direct, straight to the point. This in beige color gold hardware. The CC is not a turn lock but a push lock button. I actually have love-hate relationship with the push lock button because I'm always scared and careful while I'm trying to close it, because I feel the button is going to get ripped out, but obviously nothing I can do. And I think most of the vintage Chanel purses, especially the exotic leathers, are push lock buttons. This bag is all about understated luxury, its uniqueness. I usually do not carry it like this because it looks ugly, in my own opinion, carrying it like this. And when you drop it this way, this is not an elegant way to carry an handbag. And your sweat touching here, no, it's going to damage the bag. This is an exotic leather. You need to treat it with all the care the bag needs. So you carry it this way. I carry it this way, or like this, or like a clutch, or you hold it this way. It's just cute, elegant, timeless, and it have a woven hand. This is a very rare Chanel bag that not everybody own, not because of the price but because it's been discontinued. Next on my list is this pattern leather wallet on chain in glossy look, shimmery, stunning. Look at this beauty, vibrant shade handbag. The chain is very long, but nobody is going for an elegant wedding and you're going to carry crossbody. So what you want to do, what I do to make it look dressy, I just turn the chain into and carry it as a handbag, like so, or like a clutch. This shade is a perfect cherry red that screams Christmas and Valentine, because the glossy finish look adds the glossy festive touch, making it ideal for a romantic dinner or a cozy outing. Plus, it's compact but yet functional because it holds all my essentials without being bulky. I could pair it with a black dress, a jumpsuit, red, black, whatever color, and it just still the shows. Moving on, we have the ultimate showstopper, an alligator skin. Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? And she has a long strap. This is also a vintage Chanel luxurious rare piece. It has the 24K gold plated sign here, which is discontinued already, and also a push lock. This is why I said I have the love-hate relationship. I love these bags. If I'm not using it, I do not bother to push lock it because nothing's gonna fall down. But if I go out, I ensure I push lock it properly. Just see, I ensure that I lock it so it don't miss any of my things. Let's make a thumbnail. Moving on, ladies, if you are looking to exude power, confidence this holiday season, this bag is it. This leather is luxurious, bold, and incredibly chic, making it a perfect accessory for formal party or high-end event. Did you see my last video where I talked about where to find the rich this holiday? If you pull out any of these purses I'm sharing with you today, by the way, I have 5 purses to go through with you today, you will be the eye turner of that event, because the bag always make a statement and give you an excellent come in. The few times I've worn this, heads turn whenever I stand up. And if you wear this, if you are someone that wants your outfit to do the talking, you should consider looking for one of these. You know what? Chanel always wins it because of its unique CC, no bold label, and Chanel always give us that statement, that history, that extra touch when we go into any event. We are talking more of vintage. The fourth is this Chanel Kelly top handle bag. See how glittery, bringing her out is, and come on, let's pause for a while for these statements. Also have the discontinued 24 karat gold plated from Chanel, and this lock is different entirely, which makes it easy to open and close. And even when you do, you just slide it from the bottom like this and secured. Classy and elegant purse you want to add to your special outing collection. Vintage Chanel always have that extra charms. It's not just a bag, it's a piece of history, my ladies. It stands. By the way, an elegant, classy lady do not keep her bag on the table with guests, but she put it on the stool at the side or on her laps or behind on the chair, because you are not meant to rest your back and sit inappropriately. I've made a lot of etiquette video where I covered that. If you've not seen those videos, I will try to link some of those videos at the pinned comments, or check my YouTube short shelf. Glittery. This should be number 1 that comes first because it really screamed the season. But anyways, number 5 purse I have to share with you, ladies, is this glittering purse from Toga. It's absolutely perfect for date night, Christmas party, or even your office end of year party. And it had that right amount of glams without going overboard, my ladies. Would you purchase this? Of course, yes. And you could carry it this. It has a magnetic hand, so if you do not want to carry it the previous way I put it, like just carry it in your ankle and you're ready to go. It's stunning. You could hold it this way also, and you can hold it freely just like this. You carry it this way and it could fit your mobile, but you will not be able to zip it, so it can keep the shape if you want it this way. And you can put your mobile in it and it looks the other way around. This is the shape if you put your mobile, if you have a Pro. But for me, I love to carry it zipped close and this way. And if you're carrying this one, you could also hold your mobile with it and you're good to go. it's a must-have for every classy and elegant lady collection because it's not expensive. This is the kind of purse that gets complimented all night long, and let the glitter do the talking, my ladies. If you find this video inspiring, entertaining, helpful, and perfect for holiday parties, please let me know in the comment section. Do give this video a thumbs up. Don't just watch my video and go away. Support me by giving a thumbs up. If you want to support me more, buy a copy of my book, send a super thanks, hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time, my ladies. Happy holiday.